video is about custom menus. Custom menus were introduced to WordPress version 3. Prior to that, WordPress used to create navigation menus automatically using the pages that are defined on the site. And this is still the default behavior in cases custom menus is not supported or not defined. To better understand the advantages of custom menus, let's look at the default behavior first. This demo site, for example, has 2 pages, and looking at the site, we have a navigation bar that consists of a link to the home page and then links to the 2 pages that are currently defined. If I add a new page, then let's go back to the site and reload it. Now, WordPress automatically added another item to the navigation menu. This behavior is very convenient if all you want to have on your navigation bar are links to your pages. But in many cases, this is not the desired behavior. Some examples might be if you do not want to have links to all the pages in your site. For example, a terms and condition page, which typically have a link only from the footer. Also, you may have links that you would like to add, such as external websites or category posts page, or just a single post. This is doable with this default behavior, but it will require editing of PHP files and is not very easy to do. Let's take a look at custom menus and how they can help. To access the menus editing area, click on Appearance Menus. Now let's create our first menu. Give it a name and click Create Menu. Now WordPress gives us 3 options how to add links to menus: categories, pages, or custom links. So let's add all the pages on the site to this menu, and I will also add 2 of my categories and a link to the home page where I use the custom links option. I will label it home, but it can be labeled anything you want. Now the item order can be changed easily by dragging and dropping. So I move my home link to the beginning of the navigation. And next I'll save the menu. Now we have our first menu and we need to tell WordPress where to use it. So there are 2 places where you can use custom menus. One is in theme locations, and this area will show you the available theme locations. Some of the themes do not support custom menus. Others will give you 2 or maybe more areas where you can put custom menus into. In this case, there is only one, and click here and select my menu and save. Well, the other place where you can use custom menus is widgets, and we will get back to it later. So now that we have defined our custom menu, let's take a look at the site. I will reload the site and see what happened. So yes, we have the navigation bar organized just the way we have defined it. And if I click, for example, on this category, I get a list of all the posts that are defined as main dish. One more thing you can do with custom menus is change the title. So by default, the title is taken from the page or category. But if this is, for example, too long or not descriptive enough, you can actually change the title to whatever you want. So in this case, I will shorten this title to services, and I'll save the menu again. Let's reload our page. Now this has been shortened to be called services, but the title of the page itself has not changed. So we can have a title as long as we want, and we can have the navigation item be as short as we want. If you want to create drop-down menus in your navigation bar, all you have to do is drag and drop the items that need to be on the drop-down menu a little bit to the right. And then let's save this menu, go back to the site and see what happened. So now I have a drop-down menu with these two items that I've moved to the right. One last topic that I would like to discuss is the usage of custom menus in widgets. So let's click the widgets menu, and WordPress comes with a predefined widget which is called custom menus. So all you have to do is drag and drop it into one of the widgetized areas. You get a list of all the menus that were previously defined in the site, and let's save it. Okay, let's go back to the site and see what happened. So this menu that we have defined before, and it's the same one as our main navigation, is on the sidebar now. So this completes it for custom menus, and I'll see you in the next video.